Yes, lovely.
When is the right time to give up on a particular game development project? When is it the right time to quit a particular game engine? I'm asking these questions because I've encountered my first bug in my Armory 3D Bullet Hell indie game project I'm making for this channel. Welcome to the Please Try This channel. I'm Pindeni. If you are new, please consider subscribing to my channel, liking and sharing my videos. And today we are talking about quitting. This doesn't affect only game dev projects, but any project. So I've encountered a bug, as I've said, and let me show you the bug so that we see how it goes. If you have been following this channel, I'm sure you're quite familiar with these characters here. We have the sea monster here, and we have the virus, and we have the four heroes, which are characters of our Bullet Hell game. So I'm going to switch to the launch intro scene, and this is my launch intro scene. I'm going to go on random. And now what I want to do is to go on the Armory player. Let me clean the project first and left click play. So this is my logo animation for my game. Let us see. Stop war, stop racism, stop hate, love others, and boom! Please try this. So this is the logo animation for my game, the Armory 3D Bullet Hell game, and I made this using a script. But as you can see, it has a problem, and one problem it has is it doesn't have audio. There is no audio. Let me show you my scene so that you can see it. I have a speaker here. It is somewhere in the scene there. And then let me go on the speaker settings. I have configured this speaker the way it should, and the expected behavior is it should play audio, but there is no audio. And I followed this issue through on the forums, everything, and I found that it was reported on GitHub, and it affects Linux environment. Of course, I'm on Linux environment. It's Ubuntu 22.04, or they can say Gem Jelly. So I'm sure they are fixing the issue, but the question is, if you encounter such a bug with your game engine, will you quit that game engine? That's number one thing that I want to talk about is don't quit a game engine because you have found a bug. The right time to quit a game engine is when you have exhausted all workarounds around the area that you have encountered a bug. For this one, mine, I think it's a simple one. It's only affecting Linux environment, so I can switch to Windows. It's a simple one. But I'm sure most game engine, you can find bugs, several bugs that may happen with them, especially those which are still under development. But should you quit? You shouldn't readily quit, guys. What we should do is try to find the solution, try to give it a time and persistence and patience so that we go around that area we have encountered a bug in. We can't say, okay, I'm in Godot, oh, it's flickering my art, I'm switching from Godot, I'm now going to Armory, oh, Armory is not playing audio, I'm switching, I'm now going to Unity. At the end of the day, we are left without a game, and that idea that you have, nothing comes out. So on my project, I'm sure I can still be patient. As you can see on my scenes here, I have a new scene, the select language scene. I want my game to be multi-language. So I can work on other things. I can work on the art. This is a solo game development project, mind you. I can work on the art. I can work on the sound. I can work on various things while this bug is being fixed. So let's not quickly quit our game engines. That's my advice. Let's not quit them. Let's give them time, and at the end, we'll win. Then on the game development project, I don't know why game developers quit. If you are following the model I discussed in the first video of this game development playlist, you shouldn't quit. Because if you have been producing test builds, you have got enough information on whether your game is good or not. For instance, I'm developing this game. I take this game, I give it to people. If it's good, you see them want more. You see it. We want more. Where is this game? Where is the full version of it and everything? If a game is good, you'll see it. So that's why we want test builds, guys. I encourage test builds. They help us save some money. Before you put your game everywhere, you're marketing it, a test build is the one that shows you if people really want your game. So on issue of game selling and quitting because of that, I don't think you should face that. If you are following that model, test builds will help you do that. And then there are some others who quit their game development project at marketing level. The game is complete and then they put it on one platform and the other platform. They don't get traction and then they quit. Why are you quitting? Give it a moment. Don't scrape it off and throw it away like that. Just give it time. Just give it time. Give your project some time. Try it again after a few months, because where in the world, guys, can you get free entrepreneurship except in the game development industry and also in the YouTube making content industry? Also, like, it's free entrepreneurship. You ought to be patient. When you catch it, you'd have caught it for good. I mean, imagine that time when that game just started getting traction, and boom, you're a millionaire. You're a millionaire. So yeah, that's my advice, guys. Don't give up. To those who are on marketing level, I think I'll allow, my community is not yet as big as of this recording. I have 43 subscribers now, but I wish I had more so that I can play your games here. If you feel a game has not been given enough time for the audience to see, you can bring it to me for free and then I can share it with others. I want the game development industry to succeed. I want more in this industry, guys. I want to see everybody succeeding. I mean, imagine the importance of games. I personally went through a hard time in my life and games saw me through, guys. Games were just pushing me. I would play a game, I would do what. So we want more of those. They help us solve all those depression issues. We want more of those. So my advice is don't give up unless you have thrown everything, you have tried everything. And also talk to others. Sometimes you think you've tried everything, but you should talk to others and see, guys, I have a problem. My game is not selling. Talk to others. There are many communities out there. Talk to others. They will help you. Come, bring your game. Let me do some criticism on it and let's see. If you stick around a problem and solve it, that's the difference between being a mega success and just success. Because someone reached that same problem you are facing and quit it. Now, if you stick around it, finding how to maneuver it and pass it, you are the better man. You are the better man. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you. I hope it was inspirational. I just thought since I've encountered my first bug, it's the right time to make such content. If you are new, please subscribe to my channel, like and share my videos. Thank you very much.